So why did you just call me ignorant?
Because you're being unnecessarily rude. So
That's not the definition of ignorant. So why would you just call me a name in front of my kids?
well, you're arguing in front of your kids.
That's
so I'm not.
you just called me a name in front of 3 children. All I did was take the battery out like I've done every other single time.
And you're not meant to disarm it, and you're right.
Listen, can you? I'm not talking. Can you ease up?
So how long ago did it go off? Because it was up right now and it was fine, but
Yeah. So it doesn't continuously go off.
Yeah.
The last time you guys came out and replaced it, the next one I've emailed your boss or whatever about it. The next morning it's 3 thing in a row pattern in the morning. If anyone's paying attention, there is a slight pattern to this. It never goes off overnight.
yeah.
But there's no traffic. There's no. My neighbor doesn't start smoking. Like there's nothing. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Okay, and I've now spoken to another person who's had the same issue before.
Yeah.
That it was something to do with the wiring in there. Like it's not obviously that I don't mean the physical unit. I mean
Yeah,
in
you
the
mean the
wall.
wire underneath, yeah.
Yeah.
Is the window still upstairs, open on the stairwell, Jack?
It is open.
Yeah. How were you able to open that?
With a crutch. I've lived here for 3 years. I've done the exact same thing for 3 years, and this hasn't been a problem until the day Complied came out. So
There is bug activity.
You have to remember the new systems are extremely sensitive, and that's the point of them.
but I have to be able to have a window open.
Well, the issue is with that is that some of that could be affecting because they are so sensitive.
But it's not, because that window didn't get opened until right before the 3rd smoke alarm replacement went on. It's been closed for winter because it's been freezing.
Well,
So that hasn't been open and causing the problem since the beginning.
okay, we're just debating semantics in the end. So if it needs to go to dispute resolution, once the owner puts forward the on that, and then you need to go further with that. That's up to you.
I'm going now.